the builders. Hey, whoa, look at that, the Baaaack fellows. Yeah.
It's got to run in order to compete.
Yeah, but it did real well. I wasn't there when they unveiled it. I missed it, but I got it.
I remember watching the video of the making of that.
Yeah. I got a.
The guy that had that car done's got more dollars than cents.
Yeah. I got a walk around video of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got a lot of that whole floor. I was in there to 9 p.m. by myself, so I got videos and pictures of people.
Nice.
I just got to get through it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you probably got a lot of editing.
Yeah. Oh boy, I got a lot. All right, Bill. Yeah, 98. Drop top. It's got fins on it. Beautiful. Look at that. It's real work. Big chrome bumpers. Nice. That's really nice, huh? I always like these dashes, and especially the steering wheels are cool, huh? Look at that rear seat speaker. How about that? And then right next to it, look at this. I don't know, we got a Jet Rocket 88 with a Continental kit. 54, I believe. Two American icons. Super 88. You can buy it. Thank you. Wow. Two cool American cars right there. For that, Willie bought a ZL1 out. He put new tires on it. Came with slicks, but he put treads on there to roll it to Vegas. Took it to Vegas and had a blast. And we're getting out of line up here. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got a Cobra. And this is a legitimate one. Look at that. I'm told this is a legitimate one by Max. 57 Chevy. You got the Chevy 2 straight axle over there. USA one. AC Cobra, original condition. Yeah, man, yeah, that's the original one though.
You can see the hood though.
That's worth some money right there, just as it sits. Whoa.
I think it's worth more on fire than.
Yeah. How you been?
Pretty good about yourself.
Good.
Kind of a little weird morning.
Yeah, huh?
I wonder why people keep driving the regular cars up in here. They just keep getting further.
I know. It used to be we had this whole full closet of cars, and people get lazy and start bringing daily drivers in, and people drive through here and can't find a space and they go. So yeah.
Welcome to entitlement.
Yeah. My favorite Merc with lake pipes. Fat fender Fords here. Let's take a look at it. Look at the front suspensions, all been chromed out. It's for sale. It's a nice Woody.
Weird though how you want it back. That's nice.
Yeah, it is. I think you ought to add it to your collection, Steve.
Very clean.
Yeah.
He lives around the corner.
Okay.
And he's had it since 2010.
Wow.
He's got more cars, and it's the first day that it's been on for sale.
Wow, yeah. That's nice. 33 or
I'm not
34?
sure what the date is.
I think it's
When you're young,
33.
you don't think you're so impetuous.
Yeah.
33?
Huh?
33?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that.
Hey, Hunter.
Beautiful.
If I had your money,
We saw this rolling in.
you're right, man. Drive it.
Oh, what up? What do you think about this Woody? Yeah. Wow. Cool. Well, let's take it off here. There's the mag. Automatic.
Automatic and power steering.
And power steering. And and I'm throwing power brakes too, right? They probably got air conditioning and oh boy, what a creature comforts. Power windows. Yep, that's what happens. The youthfulness soon departs, and we do what our dads did. We didn't think we'd ever do. Look at that, huh? C2 Pharma. I got Doug's Firebird. Look at that. Rare Firebird. Uh-oh, and he stalls it. Oh. Oh, he just he plugged something up. I can't hear it. Turn on an electric motor. Oh boy. Look at that Catalina. Yeah. Look at 389 with dual quads. Oh, it's that Nova. Sounds awful good. Man, look at this. Trans Am. What else we want to miss here? New Raptor. C10 going out. All right. Oh, we got a swap meet going on here. Look at this. Grind tool cut, huh? Look at that. You come to Donuts, look at cars, you get some tools while you're here. How cool. Pour that with a big block in it. Here we go. C2 Farmer pulling out. And we got Brad over here. Hey, you missed a big turkey dinner potluck at Gary's last night.
I heard about it.
Yeah, it was good. It was so yummy. How you doing? Good, yeah.
Was Lonnie cooking hamburgers too?
No, nope.
So
no
there's
burgers.
no competition then, huh?
Yeah, no.
Right.
But Lonnie won a raffle prize.
He did?
Yeah.
Good for Lonnie Baldridge.
Yeah. Bermuda Tan, that's Brad's Kaiser. Right there. We got an SL. We got a 392 Hemi. Let's see what else we got. This one. Well, let's walk over here first. Yeah, it's a Ford truck right here. Beautiful. Man. 56. Look at that. This is nice. Looks like Russell's. I'm not sure. I think so. Beautifully done. Look at that. Wow. Cowboy leather. Man, this is a thing of beauty. I'll give it a pass. 2 pedals. Still nice. Look at that. Wow. Did a nice job on this.
How nice is this?
It's beautiful, huh? Oh, Mike. What's up with that 70 Chevelle?
Oh, that little wiring fire.
That's what that's the number was telling me the other day.
Yeah.
He was over there.
Yeah, it looked pretty ugly.
Really?
Yeah, I had to tear a bunch of shit out.
How long gonna be down for you think?
Oh, about a week.
Okay. This is nice. At first
This
I thought
is super nice. The paint job's amazing.
Yeah, at first I thought it was Russell's, but what up, fellas? What's going on, man? How you be? Yeah, long time no see. Where you been?
Been here mostly. Get here late though.
Yeah. But I've been out screwing around everywhere but here.
And we haven't been to Elks in forever either.
Yeah, well, Elks last night we rocked. We had a potluck Thanksgiving dinner up there. Yeah, it was so good. A lot of delicious stuff. Yeah. Elks. There won't be any show this coming week. It's Black Friday, no show. Yeah. So don't make a trek up there.
It's pretty close to me, actually.
Oh, really? Okay, good. Man, look at that. We got the Goodwill Mopar roll over here.
This one's nice.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Look at that. Pure Life. Is that what you got at that lesson plate? Pure Life. Look at the Falcon. It's for sale. There goes Steve Migliore. Say hi to Steven, okay?
If I don't see you before then, have a great Thanksgiving.
Yeah, you do the same, all right? Thank you. Thanks, Steve. Back to this Falcon. Look at that. Ford racing motor put in there, probably a 302. What's that? I got a whole bunch. All these.
I seen the picture of your van with that cleaning stuff.
Yeah, Mother's is one.
Good, man.
Yeah, I got like 14 guys here. Yeah.
Great.
How about that, huh?
Good job. Good job.
Yeah, instead of see T go, see Dan will go. See Mr. T go. Look at that. Yeah, the wrench back there is 7/16 in case he needs to take the battery terminals off. True Speed Motor Cars. What a pair that is. I didn't hear me. Boy, here's two guys. Trouble waiting to happen.
Oh, 382. Can't tell now.
It's not like yours.
383?
I don't know.
It looks like a 4.4. It looks like my my Chrysler 383.
Yeah.
Nice.
The heads aren't big on it, so probably
Nice.
is. For
AC is
360.
ready to go.
Yeah, looks like
Yeah.
he's right
Oh, he even got a paint. I want to know what color.
Yeah, it looks like it's under construction.
Right here.
Oh,
looks really
damn.
cool.
Look at the
that.
seats. Oh, yeah, dude. He's got it going on.
Does he have an
Inside
automatic?
the dash.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look
You
at
need 3 pedals,
new
right,
gauge
Daniel?
packet. Yeah, you don't though.
On the original dash. That's
Yeah.
really good. Whoever did that dash is excellent
Yeah.
job.
Beautiful, huh?
Wow.
Oh, I see the lower is back here. Oh, okay. It's being built.
Yeah, it's built.
Yeah.
Yeah, she sounds I want to hear that thing. Oh, damn.
How about that?
It's all motor right here. Look at that. Look at the dash.
Under
thing.
construction.
That was not an AC car.
Now,
Factory AC had 3 holes.
did it? Look at that 427. I called it out before a big block. Yeah. And look at this. Wow. How many of you seen two darts? Well, no. One's a Dodge and one's a Plymouth. Wow. One's got a cross-ram 413. Look at that. 413, really digging in. Gotta be cool now. Power shift, here we go. How about that? Fury. They're not Dodges, they're Plymouth Furies. Yeah. Twins. 413 in this one too, with single carburetor. Wow. How cool is that? Twins. And that's why we show up. Never know. Never know. You tune into Danovision, you might just find something you like down here at the donor shops. And I've been gone, and I'm back. Beach in 57 Chevrolet. Look at that. Yeah. Prager Mag, BF Goodrich tires. Yeah. All right. Let's walk brisk about the back row here and see what's showing up here. Got the 55 Chevy. Got a Corvette. A GTO. Got a C10. There's nothing to see back there, is there? Oh, we got a bubble top. Got a Corvette right there. Got the big block rolling out. All right. Yeah, the bubble top. 61. Look at that. All right, silver red interior. Cool. Yeah, 3.0 BMW. How about that?
Yeah, you see
Yeah,
that?
3.0. Yeah, it's nice. Just needs some work. All right. I think we're about done here with the initial danolive Derelicts weekly walkthrough.
Thanks.
We'll end it right here. Racing tuner car. Danolive. Oh, hold on, we're gonna end it with a Kaiser Bermuda tan of Brad Gaston's. Roll right by us. We'll send this off to Bonus Donuts. All right, Brad. There you have it. One Bermuda tan Kaiser. Danolive, Danovision.